a-giv is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish, and today let's learn how to wish someone have a nice day. Here's a common way of wishing this. Have a nice day, wishing someone to have a nice day in Irish. Bíodh maith agat. Bíodh maith agat. Repeat after me. Bíodh maith agat. Now, that's the one that you use when you're saying it to one person. But if you're speaking to more than one person, you would say Bíodh maith agaibh or Bíodh maith agaibh. Same words, different pronunciations, depending again on the dialect. So let's take that slowly. Bíodh maith agaibh or agaibh. Repeat after me. Bíodh maith agaibh. Agaibh. Now you have another phrase in Irish to use in everyday situations.